Another of the most common types of essays a history student will be asked to write, especially for an AP exam, will deal with continuity and change. In other words, how things change and stay the same over a set period of history. These are almost always a document-based question, or DBQ, that will present the student with various primary sources and then ask them a continuity and change question. You can recognize a continuity and change question when you're asked to identify, analyze, or evaluate change, continuity, transformation, amendment, or stability. Any continuity and change essay will start with a HOTS thesis sentence, written in the format X, however A and B, therefore Y. In a continuity and change essay, the Y is the main theme of continuity or change you see. The A and B are the categories of change or continuity you see, and the X is a fact that serves as a counter-argument to your Y phrase. How do you arrive at all these things? By pre-writing. For a continuity and change essay, your pre-writing takes this form. It looks like a timeline. As you can see, this pre-writing encompasses a period between a certain starting year and an ending year, which is usually located in the question. An example would be, identify the changing roles of women from the American Civil War to the passage of the 19th Amendment. This would give you a starting point for your pre-writing, 1861, the date of the beginning of the Civil War, and an end point in 1920. Identifying these start and end points is your first step in pre-writing a continuity and change essay. Once you have your A, B, and X statements, you can develop your Y by asking yourself what the A and B have in common. What is the overall theme? For our example question, it might be that social roles and freedoms for women had greatly expanded in the years between 1861 and 1920. Once you have your pre-writing done, you can construct your HOTS thesis sentence using the X, however A and B, therefore Y formula. Your pre-writing also gives you a great outline for your essay as well. Your HOTS thesis forms the basis of the first paragraph. Your second and third paragraph expand on A and B using evidence from the documents or primary sources. The fourth paragraph focuses on X and shows that you can acknowledge variant opinions and statistics that don't fit neatly with your thesis. And finally, the final paragraph restates your Y. I hope this look at continuity and change pre-writing has helped and will help your history work.